Yeah,
as
yeah,
well.
yeah.
Social media is a buzz, sir.
Yeah, no,
Thank you for transforming lives.
siyabonga Qhawela, we thank God. You know, in fact isibuka itopic yanamhlanje bengifisa ukuthi sithi senze motivation ezosicija mfethu ukuthi sibe sensitive to other people's needs. Ngoba mfethu sengike ngathi mangibhekisisa ngabona kakhulu ukuthi abanye abantu banikeza lezi zinto abasuke beyidinga bona. Some people give what they need. And kwesinye isikhathi sisuke singanaki sibuka igift singabe sisayibuka igift ukuthi iphuma phi and iphuma kanjani. Ngicela ukuyiphinda. Some people give what they need the most. And siba occupied ngale gift abasuke besinike yona. Singabe sisabuka the source. Kanti kwesinye isikhathi it's out of lack that we get to give. Yazi ngike ngabuka enye into ngisanda kushadelwa mfethu umuntu useneminyaka nje impela esemshadweni and one of the things engithe mangireflecta kuzo kwavela ukuthi I think there used to be a time njalo uma ngithi ngithengela umuntu igift ikakhulukazi unkosikazi kube ukuthi ngizothenga incwadi you know and then kwahamba kwavela ukuthi the reason why ngithenga incwadi is because mina ngiyasithanda incwadi
ingoba wena uyasithanda
that's correct mina ngithanda incwadi so because mina ngithanda incwadi sengithola kulula ukuthi nginikeze umuntu igift yencwadi and now i-gift lengisuke ngiyiletha mfethu isuke reflecta my own needs yebo lento le yeah ngeke ngabuka i-documentary ka Sylvester Stallone abaningi bamazi ngoRambo mfethu isitoko sayo sithi Fly you know Sly sorry ukhuluma ngaleyo nto mfethu ukuthi wenza i-movie mfethu ngoba wayene relationship ayingekho yinhle nobaba wakhe wenza mfethu i-movie kule movie wa create i-character kababa wakhe yabo wathatha amagama abefiso ngabo baba wakhe wakwazi ukwakhuluma kuyena of affirmation wawabeka kule character thina when we watch this movie we are excited ngemovie ukuthi wow this is such a powerful movie but when you analyze the movie you get to realize ukuthi uRocky noma uSylvester Stallone gave us what he needed you know uma ubuka uTyler Perry mfethu uTyler Perry ama movie akhe amaningi uyakuveza ukuthi ama movie amaningi was answering something I torment noma iabuse engakhula ngaphansi kwayo bese ngikhuluma through ama movies usinikeza what he needs the most uma ubuka lama movie asinikeza wona akhuluma naye kakhulu and kwesinye isikhathi thina sibuka nje ama movie and then we enjoy that singabe sisabuka ukuthi abanye abantu mfethu izinto abasuke bekunikeza zona izinto abasuke beyidinga kakhulu uma ngidlula lapho mfethu ngibona kakhulu abantu belimala mhlawumbe naseyinkonzweni uthola ukuthi kunabantu mfethu abahambelanayo kusabathi kulimale umuntu othile bakhona mfethu khona umuntu onenkinga bayavakashelana and labantu kwesinye isikhathi into enokwenzeka mase inkinga zenzeke kubona uthola ukuthi abantu abasakwazi ukuthi babavakashele and then bese beyalimala abanye baze bashintsha amasonto ukuthi mina bengihleze ngibahambela abazalwane kodwa ngithe mase ngilimele unoma ngisesibhedlela kwangafika umuntu ezongihambela why it's because while they were behambelana nabo bonke abantu that was their need nabo ukuthi ngelinye ilanga mase kwenzekile kumina ngizobadinga abantu so when abantu beba nelukuluku lokwenza izinto ezithile take time to realize ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi abantu basinikeza izinto abayidingayo ingakho nathi kufanele sibe sensitive ukubona ukuthi njengoba lona enesikhathi sabanye abantu ubani oba nesikhathi naye we need to realize that ukuthi abanye abantu basinikeza into abayidingayo uma ngibuka mfethu kukaningi mfethu ubona umuntu banama ministries abahlukahlukene abantu umuthi yabuka those ministries are very powerful omunye ukhathalela abantu abahlala emgwaqeni uma usumbuza mfethu ukuthi iqale kanjani lento yakho ukukhathalela abantu abahlala emgwaqeni ebese uyathola ukuthi naye wayekade ehlala emgwaqeni and isakhona lonto kuyena mfethu ukuthi njengoba ehlala emgwaqeni khona ukuhlukumezeka adlula kuko abanye abakakahile but bengakahili kunjalo they are busy giving these things to other people akekho mfethu omkhathalelayo lo muntu ukuthi wena njengoba unikeza abanye abantu ingabe ukhona inokufidayo abanye mfethu izinto njengama-orphanages nami mfethu abanye bazokwazi ngikhathalele lento ye-fathering ne-fatherlessness uma usuthi uyabheka ukuthi why this guy passionate ezama ukuhlanganisa amadoda everywhere khamba kuvela ukuthi nami i-upbringing yami ibingekho lento kababa so ngiyibonile mfethu ukuthi inendima enkulu so we need to be sensitive to other people's needs ukuze sizokwazi ukubasiza iphuzu lami lokugcina mfethu baningi abantu abahleze beyikhuluma lento khona abantu ama groups wethu uthola ukuthi uhleze fonela abanye abantu kakhulu and ngokufonela abantu kakhulu abantu bagcina benganaki ukuthi mhlawumbe lo muntu ufonela abantu ngoba naye unesidingo sokuthi ufuna abantu babe naye ufuna abantu bakhulume naye but thina sibuka nje umuntu ohleze fonela abanye abantu kuze kuthiwa usibani une-airtime eningi kanti awusanakile ukuthi ngenkathi lo muntu ehleze kancane kufonela now you need to call them back because there's a need kubona let us be sensitive sensitive to other people's needs. Iyona nto ebengifisa ukuyisho namhlanje. Abanye abantu baze bayibulala baxakeke abantu uthi but this guy ubenza motivation, if this guy was empowering the nation. Yes, they were empowering the nation, but uma ucubungula ama motivations wabo noma ama messages abo noma even intshumayelo zasesontweni khamba kuvela ukuthi at times we give people what we need the most. God is love mfethu, ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Thulani, yeah, Gumede. Sizobuya with more. We are